Okay, so welcome to Laser Bytes Video 3. We're going to take this object and do a few more things to it. I'm going to enter in 3 circles and center them perfectly in the middle of this little design that I've got going. So I'm going to go ahead and click my circle, use my left mouse button to make it the size I want. Click your little arrow key right here. Now I want these to be about 1/4 of an inch, so that's 0.25 by 0.25. Okay. And then click anywhere on the page here. There we go. So here's our circle. Again, I'm going to move this a little bit, so make sure you have your arrow button up here clicked and just grab that. Okay. Now I want 3 of these and I want them spaced apart the same distance. So I'm going to grab that object. I'm going to hit Control D, which stands for duplicate. Okay. Now there is one right on the very top of it. You won't see it. There you go. See it? There's 2. Let me go ahead and delete that. And I'm going to grab it again. I'm going to say duplicate. And I want to move it over to the right, exactly maybe 3/4 of an inch. So we're going to go to Object, Transform, and if you look over here it says Move Horizontally. It says by pixels, we want by inches. Again. 3/4 of an inch is 0.75. Apply. We did it again. Now hit Control D for duplicate and apply. Now I have 3 circles. Okay, what if I want to go the other direction? So let's click on this unit here, this circle here, hit Control D, so we've duplicated it. So hit, instead of 0.75, you would type in -0.75 and say apply. There we go. So now we have 4, and they are separated by each other by 3/4 of an inch. Now I want to move all these right into the center of this design down here. Now I can move them individually, but it's easier to group them. So hold down your left mouse button, make sure you have this little guy up here selected. Oops. Click it once. I'm going to grab all those units and I'm going to hit Control G, and that's going to group them. Now that I've grouped them, I'm going to do what I did last time. Hold down my Shift key, hold down my big design, and we're going to go to the Align and Distribute again, which is right over here. Click Center, and we're going to click Center. Very cool. We got those 4 dots right in the center. Now sometimes it is hard to see what's going on here. You can actually go into wireframe mode if you want, which I do sometimes. If you go into View, Display Mode, Outlines, everything will be black. Even if you draw something in color, it'll be black. If you go back to your display mode, everything will be the colors that it should be. Let me show you. View, display mode, outline. If I take this, actually, if I click on green and I draw a box, it's going to show black. If I go into my display mode and go into normal, it's going to show that it's been that I used green. So let's go into View, Display Mode, Outlines. Well, our little shape is coming along. That's the end of this video. In the next video, I guess I should show you how to do black. We've only dealt with red so far. So thanks for watching this video.